Hello and welcome to Greenline Architects YouTube channel. Today we present a design review of 2000 square feet area. This dwelling is a well-designed process of taking good care about every dimension and spaces. Large open windows and double-heighted balcony blending with elevation, creating an extraordinary rejoicing spaces. Each level has various surprises of spaces and elements that entertains the user at every step. Bold frames, jali patterns, shaded pergolas and woodworks are the elements chosen to enhance the every bit corner of design. Creative designed windows plays with the harmony and symmetry at every part of facade. Balconies plays the key role to the adobe, that peeking to the sides of green areas. A wide entrance has a spacious car porch area. The grand portico overlooks the landscaped front lawn with vestibule area, complements with full-height jali partition. Main entry approaches towards formal drawing room. Folded partition has a calming view overlooked by the sitting area. A attached common toilet and guest bedroom enjoys the view of pocket garden. Ground floor is a public zone area with a staircase, lift and a store provided. First floor caters the major family areas. Foyer with common toilet leads to the double-heighted family lounge and linearly attached dining and puja area. Kitchen has a spacious working island and breakfast counter with modular designed elements faces towards the dining area. It also has an attached pantry and laundry area. Elements are chosen wisely to fulfill the functionality of every space with its glory. Master bedroom at the back has attached with dress and toilet with a overlooking balcony. Volumetric spaces has a luxurious tone with a pair of two floors combined vertically. Chandelier is a bronzed ornamentation that enhances the space by mounted carefully. Second floor has a tiny family rest area that complements with a modular design TV unit. Grand master bedroom has attached dress and toilet to it. Interior has fine elements like wooden planks and sober color palette on walls. Linear long balcony is ornamented with customized jali work and green planters around. Kids' bedroom is also attached with dress and toilet, has carefully designed with bay windows and modern furnitures. An external lift and staircase approaches each floor with separate entry and exit. Third floor has a big size multi-purpose activity zone for the family to play and enjoy. It also has a connecting semi-shaded terrace that overlooks the below balcony. Interior has a bright color palette at the backdrop that complementing the bedroom with other elements. The artwork and detailings are unique in its own way. Overlooking balcony extended outside, pretending as a box frame. Mumty also contributes as a small pantry area. Terrace is beautifully composed with semi-shaded large sitting space enhances by the planters around. Monkey ladder leading you to the Mumty Terrace is composed with water tank and solar panels. The use of solar panels embodies to produce electricity for the whole house and also fulfill the other domestic needs. It also follows the good principle of green building and sustainability. Comment your views about the project and do like, share and subscribe for more fresh content. You can also find us on Instagram and Facebook. Links are given in the description box below.